breathe out. Good. And again, one more breathe in and out. Good. And again, one more breathe in and out. Good, 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 good. Perfect. Nice. Perfect. Great. Thank you. So we're just gonna take the pressure off. Yes. Like the side, please. It's not painful.
No.
Good. Good. So we are creating more movement on the spine. Okay, so that's what we're trying to do. And then nice, and on your back, please. And knees up, please, young lady. Okay. And sorry, knees up. Thank you. So also we treat the neck because she's got a little bit of tension, headache. So we're going to get that going. And good. Okay. Perfect. And one more. You okay?
Yeah.
Done. Cool enough. So we're going to do this for a few weeks, get you out of pain, and that's it.